Hello my friends and welcome. My name is Dennis and as you probably know I'm the airline pilot. Today I'm gonna fly to Dubai and it's gonna be the night flight. We're gonna fly all night long and arrive here to Kyiv Boryspil airport in the morning time. So we're gonna be night landing in Dubai but daytime landing here in Boryspil. So let's go. Pam pam. Hey guys, today I'm gonna fly from the right hand seat to Dubai and coming back from the left hand seat. You can do it in my airline, so I have the permission to fly from the both seats as well as the captain, so it's not a problem for our crew. And today we also have the relief pilots, so together there will be 3 pilots for these 2 flights, Dubai and back. Sometimes you ask me to show everything, the preliminary pre-flight procedure, CG pre-flight. Actually, my friends, I have those on my channel already, and it will take the time for me to film everything. And usually you come just 1 hour before the flight, so I need to do it in a quick way. But what I want to show you is the exterior look on other planes. So we are in the parking stand. Let's go. Here we go. So we have the Airbus 319 of Lufthansa, and this is our airplane. I'm not going to perform the walk around. It's the captain is performing it right now, so I'm performing the CG pre-flight and pre-flight itself. But look at the weather. It's quite foggy today, as you see. Wow guys, hey, look at this weather, it's superb. It's a little bit drizzle, I like very light rain, however it's nice. I like this weather. While we were waiting for our passengers, the mist turned to fog and the visibility dropped to 750 meters. Пам-пам.
Подтвердите стояночный.
Самолет на стояночном, включаем гидравлику, запрашиваем.
Включайте, мы уже в принципе готовы к буксировке.
Before start with pushback procedure.
Хорошо, before start procedure. Transponder, okay, before start
Checklist.
Before start checklist. Fuel, we have 14.1 tons, 6 pumps on, passenger signs. Set for pushback, system A hydraulic park switches off. Transponder, exponder, windows.
Locked.
Right lock, MCP.
V2-146 heading 356 altitude 4000.
V2-146 heading 356 4000. Takeoff speeds.
V1-138 rotate 144 V2-146.
1138 we rotate 144 V2-146. Okay, flight controls associated. CG for flight.
Completed.
Rudder and aileron trim.
3 and 0.
Taxi and takeoff briefing complete.
Completed.
Okay. Flight deck door closed and locked. Doors all closed. Anti-collision light on before start. Checklist complete.
Request pushback and startup.
Right for ground. Hello, International 373 on parking stand Delta 7. Request push and start.
International 373 Boryspil ground. Push facing north and startup.
Земля, по вашей команде готовы запускать.
Готов к запуску двигателей.
Запускаем второй.
Запуск второго.
Start engine number 2, time check.
Starting number 2. Starter. Cut out.
Check.
Number 2 stable.
Земля. Хороший запуск второго, запускаем первый.
Второй хороший запуск, запускаем первый.
Start engine number 1, time check.
Number 1. 25.
Check.
Буксировка окончена на стояночной.
Самолет на стояночном.
Starter.
Отключаю буксир.
Да. Земля, хороший запуск первого. Можете соединяться для визуального контакта. Спасибо. Всего доброго. Flaps 1.
Flaps 1.
Before taxi procedure.
Он отцепился, да?
Да, вот он едет.
Check. Oh, taxi. Engine ATS.
Engine Tyson, да.
APU.
Off.
Full. Hydraulic check.
Пин показал.
Flaps 1 green light.
Checking flight controls.
Его умеем
Taxi
делать.
checklist.
Before taxi checklist. Generators on. Prop heat. On. Anti-ice. Engine anti-ice on. Air condition parks. Auto isolation on. Auto engine start switches. Continuous. Recall.
Check.
Check auto brake. RTO. Engine start levers.
Idle detent.
Transponder. Exponder flight controls.
Check.
Check ground equipment.
Clear.
Right area is clear. Before taxi checklist completed.
Request taxi.
UK International 373 request taxi.
Qantas 373 taxi Charlie 5 Bravo holding point runway 36 right.
Charlie 5 Bravo holding point 36 right, UK International 373.
Lights for taxi.
Okay. License taxi set. Right is clear.
Left side clear. Charlie 5.
Agree. Charlie 5 first to the right, just right now.
Check.
Right is clear. Main taxiway now to the right. 36 right.
Check.
Boryspil ground
Left side
wind
clear.
1 and 5 November.
Okay.
Доброго вечера, stand mic 1, and information, echo request, stop engines.
Models 195 November ground. Good evening. Startup airport.
Starting up with rules 195 November.
Before takeoff procedure.
Okay. Before takeoff procedure completed, right is clear. Engine parameters, сейчас, секунду. Engine parameters okay. Before takeoff checklist, APU. Flaps. Stabilizer trim.
Ukraine International 373. RVR runway 36 right. 750 meters. 650 meters. 600. 650 meters. Vertical visibility 60 meters. Wind 130 degrees, 2 meters per second. Runway 36 right, cleared for takeoff.
Clear for takeoff, run 36 right. Гарної зміни, да, побачення. Доброї ночі. International 373.
Continue
Дякую вам,
checklist.
гарного польоту.
Хорошо, before takeoff, давай заново. APU.
Off.
Flaps.
1 green light.
Stabilizer trim.
5.5.
Chemical identification.
Completed.
Transponder.
Exponder.
On
TRA.
runway
TRA.
36
Weather radar
right.
GBWS.
Weather right left side.
GBWS. Before takeoff checklist completed. Cap. Clear for takeoff.
Trusted one check engine stable.
Passengers stabilize.
Check reduce takeoff thrust.
N1 heading south Toga. Reduce takeoff thrust. Check normal. Eighty knots.
Check.
V1. Rotate.
Boryspil Tower, good evening, with
Boryspil,
Island
Get up.
Island Stop runway 36 right.
Elnov.
Check.
With 06950 Boryspil Tower, good evening. Vertical, RVR runway 36 right, 750 meters, 700 meters, 75, correction, 650 meters, 650 meters. Vertical visibility 60 meters. Wind 140 degrees, 2 meters per second. Runway 36 right, cleared to land. Cleared land, 36 right with a 69.
Speed to search contrast.
Check.
Перехожу.
Cape Verde, hello, International 373 with you, bus for 1 runway departure.
Secure International 373, Cape Verde, добрый вечер, radio contact, climb to flight level 270.
Flight of level 270, International 373.
270 set.
270 check. Flaps up.
Speed check. Flaps up.
Secure International 373, heavy traffic, turn left, direct to Gobli.
Left turn out to Gobli, International 373.
Heading select to the left. Heading 180.
Heading 180 set.
Speed intervention, speed 220.
To 20 set, Captain.
Check. Gobli active point.
Agree to Goblin.
Agree.
Goblin active.
Check. Engine ATI soft.
Agree. Confirm?
FM.
Engine ATI soft. Start switch to. Flaps up, no lights.
Elnov.
All now set.
Check. After takeoff checklist.
Okay. Auto takeoff checklist. Engine blitz. On. Box. Auto pressurization. Normal. Landing gear. Up and off. Flaps up, no lights. Auto takeoff checklist. The auto altimeter is complete.
Thank you.
Anytime. Captain.
Speed intervention.
Intervention acceleration 250.
Check.
Pam pam. Okay guys, we're at the cruising flight level of 390 in Turkish airspace. So for today's flight, we're gonna fly overhead the Black Sea and the all the Turkey, we're gonna cross it, and after that to over Iraq, Kuwait, and finally United Arab Emirates over here in Dubai. The weather is superb. As you can probably see, we have some of the cities around. The night is okay, so I'll switch off the lights. Maybe you can spot some of the stars. No. This is not the night type of the camera. Hope you can see me right now. And I really like this flight. The flight time should be 5 hours to Dubai and coming back 5 hours again. So it's quite a lot. For one night I'll have 10 hours of block time. As you saw, the weather in Boryspil was a little bit foggy. Even though the visibility, the RVR, the runway visual range was 750 meters for departure. It's quite okay, but we'll see what to expect on arrival. And by the way, they also have the temporary forecast, the 30% probability for Dubai. The fog is also expected in Dubai as well. But we have quite a lot of fuel. We have a perfect weather in our alternate airport, so we're just gonna see it. See you. Pam pam.